Wala guys, dito na naman tayo sa Versailles Palace and Garden. At ako dito halos every year before na maliliit pa yung mga anak ko hanggang ngayon. So, ito yung Palace of Versailles and they called it Chateau de Versailles. Chateau de Versailles is a former royal residence commissioned by King Louis XIV, located in Versailles, about this with 18 kilometers west of the city center of Paris. Itong palace ng Versailles ay isang residence gradually went from being a hunting lodge to a residence for leisure that saw grand parties and entertainment held in the garden, such as the ones in 1664, 1668, and 1674. From 1682, it became the main residence of the French court and government. Dito sa Versailles, every day, nearly 300 people work for the state in this building designed by Jules Hardouin Mansart and renovated to make it once again a place where people really live and work. Noong araw, si Louis XIV had a passion for hunting and the dense forest of Versailles, just 19 kilometers, 5 miles from Paris, were his favorite spot. In 1624, he built a small hunting lodge here, but according to historian, it had a terrible odor. Dito sa Versailles, ang pinaka-impressive na pinupuntahan attraction dito sa Versailles ng mga tao ay number 1 yung Grand Canal, number 2 yung Grand Trianon, number 3 yung Royal Opera, number 4 Place du Marché Notre Dame, the Royal Chapel, the Galerie des Carrosses. Dito sa Versailles, in 1793, the Palace of Versailles was completely empty. 17,000 lots of furniture and objects in the royal collections were dispersed at revolutionary sales. So binenta ang mga furniture dito sa Versailles noong 1793. Kaya yung mga ni-replace nila, yung pa rin pero ibang mga furniture na rin. Naman yung garden ng Versailles, ang layo niya ng lakarin, imagine. Kulang ang 30 minutos, siguro po 1 oras yan papunta dun sa dulo ng garden. Yan naman yung palace, nakikita natin. Yan, maraming turista kasi. Pero kami, slowly. Dito sa Versailles, hindi mo pwede ma-miss ang mga lugar na bibisitahin mo. Yung the Hall of Mirrors, the Garden of Versailles, the Gallery of Battles, Place of Arms, and the Gate of Honor, the Empire Rooms, the Queen's Hamlet, Petit Trianon, and Grand Trianon. Pero nagpunta kami direct sa Queen's Hamlet. Ang cute-cute doon. Maliit na bahay, tapos may garden, at saka ang cute-cute. Parang nasa Disneyland ka sa loob ng Hamlet. Or yung view ng Hamlet. Sorry kasi hindi ko nakuna ng video dahil bit-bit ko yung aking mga little babies. So, nag-ikot na lang kami dito sa garden. Pero maraming beses na ako nag-visit doon sa Hamlet. Dito lang kami sa garden dahil yung aking apo takbo ng takbo rito. Ayan, ang lawak-lawak ng kanyang takbuhan. Nag-i-enjoy naman siya. Pati rin ang lola, syempre. So ayan, nagpunta kami dyan sa garden. Lagi kami sa garden. Kasi yan talaga ang gusto namin, yung garden at saka yung hamlet. Dahil sa loob ng palace, ang dami-daming tao. Hindi ka doon makalakad ng tahimik. So ayan, hanggang dito na lamang tayo. Hindi na tayo pwede mag-ikot-ikot pa dahil sobrang lapad at laki ng garden dito sa Versailles. So maraming salamat at thank you for watching. See you on my next travel vlog. Ciao, ciao!